How to fold a pair of jeans for travel. First of all, fold the top over, give yourself a good couple of inches. The jeans are pretty thick, like so. Once you've done that, fold the jeans over, top of each other, like so. Then start a roll from the bottom, as tight as you can. When you get to here, fold this pad in so it stays as wide at the bottom of your jeans. Keep folding until you get right to the end, and you've got your cuff by here. And pull the cuff round over the edge of your jeans like so. And there's your jeans, nicely rolled up, nice and compact.